Hi everyone, I'm Pam and I run the Canva Clubhouse, and Canva Creations with Pam in Facebook. So I have a membership and I just want to show you guys just what is inside of here real quick. Okay, so I'm going to take me down a notch here. Okay, so when you get in, it's $15 a month or $150 for the whole year. Okay, so very reasonable price for um, everything that we got in here. Okay, so welcome management. This is where you are able to look at your not look at your account, but it gives you how to cancel all that. So, okay, so I have the Canva Clubhouse 2024, and I also have one of 2023 because there's a lot, and I just didn't want it to be so much. So I broke it down a bit. And so there we go. Now we have videos. Inside here is all the videos that I post up in the free Facebook group, in the clubhouse, so that they're all in one spot. Okay, so you don't have to go through everything. So I still posting a bunch every day in here. So I have videos in there, and then templates. I'm not the template girl. There's so many other places to get Canva templates. I'm the person that shows you what you can do with them, how to change them, tips, tricks, all that stuff. Okay, so then we have the 2023. So there's that. And I'm going to go inside of the 24 in a second. I just want to show you what is all in here. You have journals. There's like, I think 4 or 5 journals in here already. You get one every month. These are the courses. This is my toolkit courses. This is about social media. This is about creating a freebie. And this one right here is just basics of Canva, and then brand kit. So this is a real resourceful one. And then if you want to learn how to clean up your Canva, I probably have to do a new one because of the new features, but I'll wait a little bit. But still, it shows you how to set up the folders, all that. And then we have a challenge here and another challenge that I just did, the Canva AI. And then we have AI Art Vault. I have photos that I'll be adding every week here. So let's go inside of the 2024. And the 2023 is very, very similar, just different info. All right, so you have a bunch of resources and everything here. Got some products for you. Every month I do a tip and trick replay. At the beginning of the month, we always have, which I need to put May in. Weird. That, I show you what Canva gives us, new product, new features, all that. So that is there. And then special guest videos. Every month we have a special guest. And if we don't have a special guest, then I do something else. Then we have a monthly how to, and we've created bookmarks, chore charts, stickers, Mother's Day cards. Tomorrow we're going to make, or tomorrow won't be tomorrow when you watch this, but the next one is portfolios. And then Canva AI, I have tons of videos to put up in here. Create printables. This is the thank you. So, and then also every month you get 60 printable ideas. You get 60 digital product ideas and 60 blog post ideas. All right, so that is right inside of there. Okay. So let's go back. And like I said, videos here, templates, products, journals, courses, AI, art. Let's go in here for a sec. I'm still adding a whole bunch, but we have flowers, lined paper, lifestyle backgrounds, illustrations. I have a lot. So okay. Oh, okay. Let's go back. All right. And there you go. So this is, like I said, $15 a month. We do three Zoom calls. We have a dedicated Facebook group. Yeah. So thank you very much. And please come and join us. We would love to have you.